Hello. So we're gonna jump into the code and we're gonna write about how to write a loop for a dice. So how do you create a dice? That's what we're doing. So for that, in a sense, every time you throw a dice, it needs to give you a different number from 1 to 6. To do that, we need to import random. And we need to set the global and we need to set the global variable stating the minimum and the maximum. The minimum for the dice is 1 and max is 6. So with that said, we define our main, and within that we're gonna create a variable called y. So now we will jump into a while loop when they throw the thing. Before we do that, we will use the variable that we have created with again while again okay, equals to y or again equals to capital Y, then the code will print rolling the dice 1 2 3, and we're going to close the parentheses and we're going to write what is the value. Print the value is colon space, okay, yes, and print random dot int random. We're importing from the module random, and rand it is the keyword that's within the random, so we're calling upon that random integer. So we will bring back the minimum and maximum, where it could be from this to that, so from 1 to 6. Give us any number that's between 1 to 6. Min and max. And we're gonna write to use our loop, to finalize our loop again, equals input from the user, roll the dice again, question mark, y for yes. And to finalize this, we call the main. And let's see if it works. The value is 5. Great job. So now what we're going to do, let's play it one more time. The value is 5. That is odd. Let's play it one more time. Oh, okay. I was like, is there a problem? Let's try capital Y. No way. It's like 5, 5, 1, 1, and I got 3, and then 1. I was like, oof. So let's say you want to have 2 dices for the game. All you gotta do is just copy that, print it again, and you'll have 2 numbers. Just as that. And simple as that. You have a good one. Bye bye. We will